Introducing the Godrej 2-ton 5-star 5-in-1 Convertible Cooling Inverter Split AC. With its variable speed compressor that adjusts power depending on heat load and convertible cooling modes, this AC is perfect for large size rooms. Featuring a copper condenser with bluefin anti-corrosion coating, this AC ensures durability and heavy-duty performance for uninterrupted powerful cooling. The Godrej 2-ton 5-star 5-in-1 Convertible Cooling Inverter Split AC is perfect for its energy efficiency rating of 5 stars and annual energy consumption of 925.05 units per year. The innovative R32 refrigerant helps in reducing global warming potential and contributes to a greener environment. It also comes with a backlit remote to adjust cooling capacity at your convenience. Experience the ultimate comfort with the Godrej 2-ton 5-star 5-in-1 Convertible Cooling Inverter Split AC. Its silent operation and antimicrobial self-clean technology make it an ideal choice for any home or office space.
When it comes to buying an air conditioner, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best product for your needs. One of the first decisions you will need to make is whether you want a split AC or a window AC or a portable AC. Split air conditioners consist of two separate units, an indoor unit and an outdoor unit that are connected by a refrigerant line. The indoor unit is typically mounted on the wall, while the outdoor unit is installed outside the home. Split ACs tend to be more expensive than window ACs, but they are quieter, more efficient, and provide better air distribution. Window air conditioners, on the other hand, are self-contained units that are installed in a window or a hole in the wall. They are typically less expensive than split ACs and are a good option if you have limited space. Portable air conditioners are a great option if you need an AC that you can move from room to room. They are self-contained units that do not require any installation. To determine the appropriate size of air conditioner for your room, consider the size of the room, the number of people in the room, the level of insulation, and the amount of sunlight that enters the room. As a general rule of thumb, a room of around 150 to 200 square feet will need an air conditioner with a capacity of 1 ton or a cooling power of around 3500 watts. For a room of around 200 to 250 square feet, you will need an air conditioner with a capacity of 1.5 tons or a cooling power of around 5000 watts. A room of around 300 to 350 square feet will need an air conditioner with a capacity of 2 tons or a cooling power of around 7000 watts. Look for an AC with a high energy efficiency ratio or seasonal energy efficiency ratio rating. This will help you save money on your energy bill and reduce your carbon footprint. In addition, it is important to consider the noise level of the AC, especially if you have a plan to install it in a bedroom or other quiet space. Look for units with a low decibel rating. I hope you found this guide useful in your search for the perfect AC. Happy shopping!